everyone, welcome back to Krystal's Small World. Today we're going to make a costume idea that I came up with, and that is a Tron DIY shirt. We're going to use the Cricut to create this and some vinyl. And before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's free to do. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified on when I upload. Now, let's get on with the video. Here's what you will need to complete this craft. A black shirt or tank top, Cricut holographic vinyl, red or cobalt, standard Cricut mat, any Cricut machine, an iron, parchment paper, bath towel, paper trimmer. Warning, you could get burned with the iron during this craft. So to begin, I cut just recently the vinyl with the paper trimmer, and now I'm attaching it to the 12x12 mat, as you can see here. And it's a little fickle because it curls up, but you want to try and press it all the way down so that it's flat and flush with the mat, as you can see here. So now I'm going to boot up Cricut Design Space and get my patterns, and now I'm going to click cut, and here it is, cutting all of the different patterns. And by the way, the patterns will be linked in the description below so you can find them, and as well as the iron-on instructions. So I have all the supplies for ironing on the iron-on to the shirt, and you want to put a bath towel through the shirt. This makes it easier since we're going to iron on both sides. Then you have your parchment paper, and you're going to lay that on top of your iron-on. The iron is in the wool setting, and that's what the Cricut instructions said. And the instructions will also be linked in the description below. So here's the first two circles. Something I want to add about this project: if you're going to attempt to make it, what you're going to need to do is, when you iron it the first time, there might be some edges when it cools that'll pop up a little or stick up a little. What you'll do is you'll just take the iron and put it over it again and try and tack those edges down. So you might want to lay it just for a second, not too long. You don't want to burn the shirt or anything, but you'll just want to iron those sections down and edges, and then it'll be completely flush with the shirt. And so here's the end result. This is the orangish red one that I made. Looks really cool. I made the blue one, the blue Tron outfit, off screen. And that was the first one I made, so that I knew what I was doing when I made the video. And these are really cool. I really like how they came out. I recommend, like I said, the holographic vinyl because it gives the more Tron aesthetic look, like there's actually like lights on it. So yeah. If you want to attempt on making one of these type of shirts, I have the patterns from Cricut Design Space, and I'll link those in the description below, as well as the iron-on instructions. That way you know what you have to do, because the vinyl does not have the iron-on instructions when you get it in the vinyl tubes. They tell you to go to here on Cricut. So I'll link that all in the description below. And if you do attempt to make this, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider on hitting the subscribe button. It's free to do. And also, thanks for watching. Have an enchanting day.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
Believe I'm looking at the right camera. One of them. I don't know, I'm looking at the camera. So, this is so stupid. I'm supposed to be signing off. I just literally lost what I was going to say. Okay.